Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're playing Real High again. Yeah. Okay, happy Pride Month, guys. It's June is the Pride Month, and my sister's birthday is coming up. Anyways, today here we have a special guest, not in Roblox but in real life. Say hi.
Hello.
My cousin is gonna be picking up my Real High outfits, which I really regret now.
I'll give it the worst outfit.
No, please. Okay, guys.
Sorry.
No, please. Okay, guys, let's get on with it. Okay, guys, I feel so bad about this. I regret it so much. Anyways, yeah. You guys, I can't believe Real High came with this cake, but we can't eat it. It's like, that's sad. I think I had like some juice in here. I swear I wasted all my money in juice to keep in here. Okay, guys, so let's let my cousin pick my first outfit. Okay, let's get the dress up. Let's start with hairstyle.
I want this hairstyle.
Are you freaking serious?
This.
No, you're joking. Take it to bangs. Oh my gosh, I look so bad. Okay, now you're gonna pick my wings. Pick my wings. Guys.
This.
Oh my gosh, guys, I feel bad. Okay, skirts. Okay, oh my gosh! Out of all the options, that mermaid one. What's your second colour? This. Okay, I only have one corset, so torso.
That's sad.
No, I have more. I have two.
Oh.
Pop Star top or Miss Lady Rose. Miss Lady Rose, and what colours? Second colour. Max, this is so bad. Okay. Pick accessories. You can pick up whatever you like. Wait. Sure. Oh, pick the accessories. I have so many. Okay, guys. This is gonna be so bad. Oh my god. No. No. Oh gosh, I look so bad.
Fabulous.
Pick two more accessories. A donkey dog. Okay, choose my colored hair. Pick a category. Which one? Blonde.
No. Multi.
Oh. Okay.
Let me change your outfit. I don't like the outfit you're wearing.
Yeah, I'm wearing a bodice, so you can't. Oh wait. Sorry. Outfit. Oh,
This.
Okay, my heels.
And I don't like your dress.
My heels.
Oh, kick boots. Yeah.
It looks so bad. You guys, this is my outfit. Seriously. I hate this. This is terrible.
Be grateful.
This is terrible.
Be grateful.
Yeah, I don't like it. It's called being grateful, guys. Okay.
Sure.
I'm gonna save this as Max outfit.
Oh, no.
You have to save it as
But unknown. I'm known as the unknown. That's stupid.
I hate this. Now you get to pick my second outfit. Can you make it good?
Yeah, I'll try.
Please. Let me just take off my hair.
Oh, I like the dress. I'm not changing the dress. I'm changing your hair.
Really?
like
That's
this.
not. No, you can't.
I'm changing the hair. It's the hairstyle.
No, please pick a good one. Okay, pick a category first. Which one do you want? Which one? Ooh, hop up, hop down. Ooh. Okay, pick one. Which one? Oh, I kind of like that. You know, that looks kind of nice. Seriously. Pink. Oh, I like it. Then I'll pick this.
No, let's go.
Oh. So you like this kind of outfit? Yeah. Okay.
Much better.
Now, what we're gonna do is, drum roll please. We are going to do a different challenge. So, you are gonna give me a color, and I have to just pin that color. Well, you have to look away when I'm dressing up.
Okay.
So, yeah. Okay, what's the first color?
Bacon.
And you have to, huh?
I mean,
You can pick a theme or color.
blonde.
Blonde.
Yeah.
Okay, now you have to go away. Shoo, 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 shoo.
Okay then.
You have to look away. And then when I come back, you have to rate this outfit 1 to 10. Or 100. 1 to 100. Hey, look away. You guys, blonde. Blonde! Okay, I'm gonna go for wavy hairstyle. I like this. Okay, let's go for like a blonde one. Okay, blonde. Just the forest blonde that I can actually find. I hate this. Okay, I finished. I finished. Okay. So, this is the blonde out. I can't find like a blonde clothing. I tried so much.
Okay, let this one slide. I'll give this one.
Did you even look at the outfit?
I don't know. 5 out of 10.
It's out of 100.
5 out of 100. Why 100?
10. Okay, we're doing 5 out of 10.
Huh? Excuse me?
I mean, you gave me a 5 out of 10. So yeah, what's the next color or theme?
Red.
Red. Seriously?
Yeah, red.
Guys! Okay, this time guys, you've actually left. Now you're back. Hello. Now look. I'm picking out my outfit. Okay guys, I think I know what to do. I think I know what to do. Okay, red. Guys, red. This is cool. Let's do this kind of red. Ooh, that's pretty. Gotcha. Because yeah, that's for free.
Huh?
What?
Did you say something?
Yeah, I said something. I was talking to all of something.
Are you talking to yourself or me?
Nope, I was talking to myself. I was talking to. Okay, guys, well, we're back. I'm sorry for the long wait. just back. Okay, so hello. What's the next theme? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yeah.
What's the next theme?
Okay.
You never gave me a theme.
Oh, what happened?
You never gave me a theme. What's the next theme?
Huh?
What's the next theme?
Oh.
Can you hear me?
I did say this next thing.
What?
You can repeat the footage.
Huh?
The theme is
You can do like nerd or party or birthday party or population
some hobo in a party.
some whole boy.
Hobo. Hobo. Hobo.
What's that? I'm younger than you. Can you pick like a different thing, like nerd or something? Can you pick a different theme? Like nerd or something? Okay guys, well, I guess Hazel's gonna pick a theme, so I'm gonna pick a theme for myself to do. Okay, and the theme that we're gonna do is nerd! I just wanted to do nerd, guys, so sorry. And this is how you can look really cute if you're a nerd. So yeah, what you wanna do is you wanna get like your school uniform or like whatever on, so I'm gonna wear mine. Where am I? Okay, vintage girl. And then you're gonna wear your backpack in like a fancy colour. So that is pretty cool. And then you're gonna wear your glasses. Obviously. Like the lenses back. And then yeah, you can wear your earrings. You can wear your earrings like this. Okay, you can wear these kind of earrings. Okay, I finished. Hello?
Yeah.
I picked the theme for myself, and the theme was nerd.
Huh?
I picked a theme for myself, and I picked nerd.
A girl that's going to study with a group of friends.
Yeah, I got the backpack
That's
on.
the theme.
No, the theme I picked was nerd.
Oh.
Yeah, and this is what I thought of.
Yeah.
I thought of this because you know how nerds have
I'm so bad at this. I'm so bad.
Exactly. You know how nerds have glasses and stuff? Yeah, look what I did. Okay, I'm even gonna do a little roleplay, guys. Oh my god, guys, I'm gonna be really late for school. Oh my gosh, it's 1 a.m. I'm gonna be so late. Makeup done. I had to re-makeup. Oh my gosh, people closing the door on accident. I'm gonna be so late for school. The teacher's gonna disgrace me. They're gonna think I'm a horrible person. Oh my god. Oh my god. Lips on glasses. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. I feel so bad. I'm gonna disgrace me. I've gotta make some tea quick.
What?
Oh my gosh, this isn't what I thought. But it's bubble tea! Oh my gosh, I love boba! Shout out to Leah Ash because he inspired me to get boba. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, drink. Oh, take it. Let's turn on fire. I'm gonna set my house on fire again! Oh my god.
Your house is not on fire.
I know, but because last time I made it, I set my house on fire. By accident.
Okay.
Done. Oh no, Mrs. gonna be late! I'm gonna be late. And guys, that's the roleplay of the nerd. Now, would you score me? What's your score for me? Huh?
4 out of 10.
I even did the roleplay.
Okay.
And I even have braces on, but my mouth is closed.
6 out of 10.
Higher? Like, I gave in all my heart. And you just want to give me that.
Okay. 8 out of 10 then.
Yeah, that's better. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye!